Now, let's take a look at our new Fast Fix clamp, starting with the upper version. This clamp is particularly user-friendly, as it comes pre-assembled and does not require disassembly for installation onto the purlin. This feature helps minimize the risk of losing any small parts. One person can handle the installation easily, and it's designed for efficiency. You can tighten it without the need to lift the clamp, thanks to the built-in spring mechanism, which helps keep everything in place. It's worth noting that while the Fast Fix clamp includes 3 additional pieces compared to the standard clamp, these components contribute to its overall efficiency during installation. Next, we have the lower version. Similar to the upper version, this clamp also comes pre-assembled, making it straightforward to install without disassembling for the purlin. This version is designed for ease of use, allowing for installation by one person. Like its counterpart, it also uses the spring mechanism, eliminating the need to lift the clamp during the process. With our quick installation solution, we're placing a strong emphasis on maximizing efficiency for all market modules, particularly Trinasolar's Vertex modules. This innovative design is specifically aimed at drastically improving the speed of module installation. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like to explore our innovative solutions further, please reach out to us at Trinasolar.com. Together, let's streamline the solar energy installation process.